I'm Kjell Hansen. I'm the CEO and founder of Scantalk. Scantalk was founded in the year 2000 with the belief that customers deserve effective and professional handling. That is why we develop great applications that quickly and efficient connect customers to the right available person in the organization.
Scantalk is actually performing right well in the markets. In our region, we are growing every quarter with new customers, with new channels. It's very easy to work with Scantalk as a partner because we are helping in all the business ways. We are helping our customers and channels with pre-sales, with offering. So whenever a customer would like to have a presentation, we will be there.
We are actively doing business in Europe and Americas, and we are proud to be trusted by companies like IKEA and Mercedes-Benz. Today we are getting new track on any kind of vertical like healthcare, governments, education.
Unified Operator is a modern version of a attendant console, which is built based on customers' experience and customers' request to give the best service for the people who call in and want to be connected to someone in the organization. It also combines strong search capabilities, so you can find people based on their location in the company, what they're able to do, skills, and we also have phonetic search, so you can find names that are different spelling. Availability and presence is very important in the solution because it's the part that can tell you if you can transfer a call to the person. But how we do it is that we take information from the phone system with a deep integration to the phone system, taking information about phone presence, forwardings, do not disturb settings, and if you have forwarding, you can know where the forwarding will go. So when you transfer the call, you will know if it's go for a mobile device or a local device for the transfer. The calendar part, it's also important for the presence because it tells if that person is actually at the desk and able to talk. If they're occupied with something else, they're probably not available to take the call. And with an Active Directory integration, you are able to always get new updates from new employees starting, and when a colleague leave, it will also go away from the database automatically. And then you can combine several companies into the same directory, also with the Active Directory integration.
Unified Operator is easy to install. You go through installation for like 4 steps. If the customer have, let's say, 1,000 employees, it will take 5 minutes of install and 10 minutes for configuration.
We've been a Dev Connect partner since 2006. Built our solution on top of the Avaya solution. We use all the good features in Avaya and then we add functionalities. One of the things is that we build the call distribution is based on the Avaya architecture. We use the agent capabilities to route calls to the right attendant. And then we build the interface on top of that handles the call and do the transfer. So we are adding functionality on top of the PBX and then using all the native interfaces instead of trying to make up our own or put a system at the side that is not an Avaya system.
And thanks to these integrations and technologies, we are creating a brand new generation of deep Avaya integrated solutions.
What we have seen is that some customers like to move the attendant away into call centers, and that what we have done is we have made a directory that fit very nicely into the call center solution, so you can make your call center solution an attendant. And that way you can bring the two of the best worlds together, a very good call center solution and a very good attendant solution.
Smart Directory is our web application for the mobile phone, and it's kind of similar to the Unified Directory, but it's more streamlined, more focused on the mobile experience, and you can manage your phone from it, like a lead agent login, and you can manage your phone and log into different groups and view queue information for different groups. You can search for colleagues and see their status if they're busy on the phone or if they're in a meeting.
Our attendance solution is based on the Avaya solution, of course we said, but we have support for a lot of other platforms in the background beneath. We take the information from a status server that can connect to systems like Cisco, Alcatel and other vendors, And that can be used very nicely in a migration form, or if you use a call center solution on top of one of these platforms, you can still have phone status in your call center solution or in the attendant part of the call center solution. One of the things very important in the way we do things, and the understanding of design is very important, that it needs to be aesthetic correct. It also needs to have a functionality, and these are the two things that are special about Danish design. It is aesthetical and it is the functionality put together, and that is what you'll see very clearly in all our solutions.